It was last year, a month ago. And they're huge. You guys are huge. Oh, I think you see something. That was awesome. Smaller nymphs there. Oh, there's a big one. See him wriggling around right here? So it's just a little baby. It's a little baby. Just a little dink. Yeah, a little guy. That's a coyote. Right there. I'm sure I must have. Oh, duck family! There's lots of little ones here. There's a big one around. There's a massive crayfish down here. Straight ahead there is a massive wasp's nest. All right, well, didn't even get to finish what I was saying. First cast. See a little family of geese here. They got a little baby goose. A little baby goose. Alright, my little duck family. They're about a month older now. Last year, a month ago. They're huge.